Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a job update from Amazon and the job role is Virtual Customer Service Associate. The job type is seasonal and the work location is work from home in Maharashtra, Tier B city limits only, and the cities are Nagpur, Nashik, Kolapur, Solapur and Sangli. And the second location is same and it is a work from home in Maharashtra. And the third location is work from home in Punjab. And the fourth location is work from home in Delhi. These four jobs have the same role and the same job type. Now let's see the another role. This role is Virtual Amazon Game Specialist and the work location is work from home from Madhya Pradesh and the another location for this role is work from home from West Bengal. Now let's see the eligibility for this role. You should have a minimum age of 18 years and you should have the right to work in India. You should have a strong communication skill in both English, that is written and oral fluency. You should have the availability to work in varying shift from the Monday to Sunday within the operating hour. And you should have the willingness and the ability to work in rotational shift, and you will need a quiet, distraction free and workspace for working here. And from a technical perspective, you need to have a minimum broadband connection of 100 MB download speed and 20 MB upload speed. This criteria applies to all these jobs. We will provide you the apply link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.